Make your home tidy and bring style and comfort into your life. In today's video, we're featuring 5 amazing home and organizing products that will make your home management easier, smarter, and more elegant. Let's take a look at the products that can upgrade your daily routine. Check the product links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home ideas. Number 1. Struggling with bulky ironing boards in tight spaces? Meet the Apex Chaser Small Ironing Board, your ultimate space saver. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or travel, compact convenience everywhere. Folds completely in half, measuring just 12 by 16 inches. Store it in closets, behind doors, or even hang on a wall. The built-in iron holder keeps your essentials organized and tidy. 2 heat-resistant 100% cotton covers for smooth, durable ironing. Replaceable covers resist scorching and stains, always fresh and clean. Flat, groove-free surface ensures effortless, wrinkle-free results. Sturdy mesh design allows quick heat dissipation and breathability. Adjustable non-slip TRP feet protect floors and stabilize on any surface. Locking buttons keep the board secure when folded. No accidental openings. Integrated hanging hook for easy, out-of-the-way storage. Transform your laundry routine. Efficient, organized, and stylish. Upgrade your ironing experience. Perfect for small spaces and busy lives. Click to get Apex Chaser ironing board and simplify your space. Number 2. Tired of messy, cluttered drawers every morning? Meet the Ems Homely Underwear Organizer, your closet's new best friend. Imagine opening your closet to perfectly sorted socks, bras, and underwear. The slide-out drawer design gives instant access to every item. No more digging or searching. Find what you need in seconds. Stackable and stable, it maximizes every inch of closet space. Perfect for busy parents, women, and home organizers alike. Removable, adjustable dividers keep everything in its place. Store bras without squishing, or create custom sections for ties and scarves. A dust and moisture-proof cover keeps your clothes fresh and clean. Made from clear, BPA-free PET, safe for baby clothes and delicate fabrics. See everything at a glance with the transparent, modern design. Transform daily chaos into calm, organized efficiency. Upgrade your closet, reduce stress, and save time every day. Ready for a smarter, cleaner wardrobe? Get your Ems Homely Underwear Organizer today and enjoy effortless organization. Number 3. Tired of messy cords cluttering your workspace? Meet the Bamboo Cable Management Box, your solution for tidy organization. Perfect for home offices, living rooms, or family spaces. No assembly needed. Just place your power strips inside. Extended round slots fit more or thicker cords securely. Magnetic lid doubles as a tray for phones or small devices. Spacious interior fits power strips up to 13 inches long. Made from eco-friendly, renewable bamboo for lasting durability. Waterproof laminating protects against humidity and spills. Prioritize safety. Keep cords away from kids and pets. Side slots make plugging in and organizing cables effortless. Transform your space. No more tangled wires or cluttered desks. Enjoy a safer, cleaner, and more professional environment. Upgrade your cord management, choose style and sustainability. Take control of your workspace. Order your Bamboo Cable Box today. Number 4. Tired of chilly rooms and uneven heating at home? Meet the Comfort Zone Electric Mini Fireplace Space Heater. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any cozy corner. Powerful 1200 ball-vaulted output with 2 adjustable heat settings. Choose gentle warmth or crank up the heat instantly. Fan-forced design ensures rapid, even heat distribution. No more cold spots. Enjoy consistent comfort everywhere. Realistic 3D flame and ember effects create a soothing ambiance. Use the flame effect alone for relaxing, fire-like glow. Safety comes first. Tip-over switch and overheat protection. Cool-to-touch body and molded handle for easy portability. Move it from your desk to bedside in seconds. Efficiently warm pipes or specific areas as needed. Upgrade your winter comfort. Practical, stylish, and safe. Don't settle for cold. Bring home the Comfort Zone Mini Fireplace. Click now and transform your space with warmth and ambiance. Number 5. Struggling with messy closets and wasted space? Meet Neprock Clothes Organizers, your storage upgrade. Perfect for bedrooms, dorms, offices, or even the kitchen. Store t-shirts, towels, toys, snacks, books, anything you need. Stackable design maximizes every inch of vertical space. Freely adjust and stack bins to fit your unique closet layout. Foldable when not in use, save space instantly. Innovative slide rails let you access items at the back easily. No more digging through piles or creating a mess. Made from premium, sturdy PP plastic built to last. Maintains shape, resists wear, and wipes clean in seconds. Each bin holds up to 5L, ample room for daily essentials. Note: slide out partially for easy access, simple and safe. Transform cluttered spaces into organized, stress-free zones. Ready to upgrade your storage? Try Neprock today. Click now for a neater, smarter home. Satisfaction guaranteed.